Hello everyone, welcome to my Watercolor Sketchbook tour. This is a sketchbook I took with me when I was exploring Utah and the locations like the Wave, Coyote Buttes, Buckskin Gulch, and White Pocket. I visited this area in May and June of 2025. This sketchbook is a Hahnemühle 8x11 inch, 100% cotton paper, 250 pound cold press sketchbook. I love sketching in this area of Utah because every location is unique and wondrous, with sandstone canyons, granite domes, and lush, thick forests. It's a very vast, beautiful place, and it's one of the most quiet places on Earth. Sometimes when I'm out painting, I hear and see coyotes, deer, antelope, and bears. I camp out in my Bronco SUV. I feel very happy and content when I'm out sketching. There are usually no distractions. I love watching the effects of shadows going across the landscape. It's very meditative. One of the most challenging parts is just getting to these remote locations. Sometimes I've had to hike up to 20 miles. This is my favorite sketch. It's in Buckskin Gulch. It's a slot canyon that is very deep and narrow, and at some points you can't even see the sky. I walk along the towering sandstone walls, and then I turn a corner and it will open up to an amazing landscape. Besides painting landscapes, I love sketching people, animals, and urban settings. Join me this August on my watercolor sketching workshop in Oaxaca, Mexico. We're going to have a lot of fun exploring and painting the town of Oaxaca with its fabulous Spanish colonial architecture and the pyramids of Monte Alban. You will find more information at this link. Thanks for watching.